Today I want to talk to you on how you can use the TradingView app. The TradingView is a very good app, and you can actually use the web version or the application version. Most times I prefer to use the application version, and some few times when I'm on probably my mobile device, I can tend to use the web version because it brings out the view better on mobile devices. So I just want to show you how you can use so you can see the website is tradingview.com. If you're using the web version, let's go straight to the application. So after you've downloaded the app, for those of you using your laptop, you can download the app just directly from the website. You see the link to the app, I think on Windows Store. And for those of you using maybe iPhone, you can get it on Apple App Store, or an Android phone, you can get it from Google Play Store. So the first thing is you can actually log in by registering so that you can have a personal account. The reason is because of the historical data which you have on the applications. So you can actually store historical data so that you can make reference to it another time. Take for instance, you're changing device, you can log in the registered account in a new device, and you would have all your datas appear, and you can actually make you can refer. Okay, I think that's through the web version. You can refer people to TradingView. Alright, that's it for introduction. The TradingView has tools. A lot of times newbies are wondering how we get to do the drawings. Yes, of course, the Meta 4 and Meta 5 may not give you beautiful tools to be able to do those drawings, but that's one thing that TradingView does for us, which makes TradingView quite beautiful and interesting. It gives us the opportunity to be able to draw. You can draw lines like trend lines and all what have you. So let's look at let's look at a pair which I'm not using to trade currently. Okay, so let's look at GPUSD. Of course, you should know that every pair has what's it called, has different company of that pair. So there are different website and company that presents you the chart of that pair, like the FXCM, Wanda, Forex.com, Pepperstone. So it depends on the particular one which you're using. I mostly use Wanda, but right now I want to use FXMC to just show you a few things, and that's because I'm trading with your Wanda. Okay, so now I want to show you, this is how to remove drawings. I want to show you how you can do your drawings and all that. So is these tools that you use, any tool that you're looking for, what you need to do is to click on this arrow and all the necessary tools will come out. Okay, and then you can be able to see whichever one you want, and you can then be able to use them. So once you click on this arrow, it brings out the flag for all the tools. Okay, these are icons, and then this is the measuring tape. Alright, so I could just use it an example. Then this is settings. In settings, you can turn on session breaks, you can make adjustments of your TradingView. Okay, you can turn on the economic events and all that. So that's what you can do on settings. And then here you have a watch list, you have alerts. So you're waiting for an entry, you can turn on an alert that can alert you when price gets to that level. We have data window, object tree and data window. We have hot list, you have a place where you can put ideas, and then charts, and then ideas stream. These are charts of other traders. You can either private chart or you be in a public chart. So TradingView is a wholesome. It has a lot. Okay, let's quickly look at the tools. Let's quickly look at some of the tools that we have in the TradingView app and what it can do. This first one is comprised of the cross, dot, arrow, and eraser, depending on what you want to do. Most times we use it as a cross, that's to move the charts, okay. And then the second one, which is the dots, can also be used to move, okay, just that it's just a dot pointing. And this one, the arrow, is a cursor. And then the eraser, which is can be used to clean maybe errors or mistake or something. So but most times I use this cross. Now not all the tools you'll be using, but just the ones that is useful to you. Then we have the trend line, we have ray, info line, and all this. Amongst all these, I think I use horizontal line, horizontal ray line, trend, and then vertical. So for the trend, you should know what you can use trend to do. You can use it to map out trends, okay, or you can use it most times I use it to draw, like I want to identify maybe a high, a low, a change of character, MSS, or break of structure. So when you draw like this, okay, for a particular tool, you can label it with settings here. Okay, if it's MSS, you can label it as MSS, which is market structure shift. Okay, that's what you can do with that. And then the next one is the Fibonacci tool and other tools that you can use while you're trading. And then we have the long position, short position, forecast, and all. Most times I use just long and short position. What do I use them for? I use them when I want to mark my positions. Now, how do you mark position? It's very simple. If you're selling, just know that the green will be down, okay, because the green signifies profit while the red signifies loss. Okay, so what it means is that this green side is pointing that as long as price moves from this point to this point, you are in profit, but as long as price moves backward, you are in loss. Sorry, let me switch my network. The network I'm currently using is slow. Okay, did you get that now? So it means the red side is the loss, the green side is the profit. So that's it for this thing. So for long, just as the name implies, for short is for short position. You can see the difference. You can see it's very small. The long is for long positions. Okay, there are other tools there as well. Then these are many other drawing tools, like the tool we use most times to spot order block. You know, you can label it as well with this, okay, OB. All right, and then you can also change the color of the label, change the color of the box, change the color of the frame, okay, and then you can change the thickness. Many things you can do with this. And then with these settings, you can change style, you can change coordinates, visibility, and many other things. Okay, so for text, you can type whatever you want to type, and then you can use any of these cursors to do other things, like you can add images. And then for smiles and people, you can get smiley stickers, which you can use on the chart if necessary, just like those that we have in social media. And then the measuring tool can be used for you to measure pips. Take for instance, your stop loss can be measured with this, and then your take profit can be measured as well. Then we have the zoom tool, like you want to zoom in or zoom out. Most times I use this plus and minus. Okay, they do the same thing. This arrow moves, this cancels everything and brings it like it's like refreshing this. Okay, and then we have this magnet tool, weak magnets and strong magnets. You can use them as well for some few things in the markets. Okay, then still on the zoom tool, Okay, those are the basic tools. So for me, I don't use all. I know you will not necessarily need to use all the tools. Here are the indicators, so you can search whichever one: technicals, financial, community, whichever indicator you need, strategies, profiles. All these things have their own built up info that you need. And then for those of you that want to do back testing, you click on replay, you come to where you want to back test, and you cut. Now it's only applicable for accounts that has been subscribed, so you can actually subscribe to an account, and these are the packages. Okay, you can start 30-day free trial, then do a subscription for back testing. Then you can do only back testing from the 24-hour time frame. So if you want to do from a lower time frame, then you will need to subscribe to do that. So I think those are the basic things, and these are the time frames. You can click on there and select your time frame, and then your commodities. Now for those of you who are trading crypto, I must advise you: crypto, volatility, stocks, index, whichever one, just come here. This is crypto, this is stock, this is funds, futures, forex, bonds, economy, options. So whichever thing you are trading, it's always best. Like the indices, guys, you will win more on the indices when you use the trading view app to analyze these charts. Okay, so what the trading view app basically does is it helps you see what you're about to trade, and then help you to be able to make accurate decisions, so you are able to analyze the market, like studying market structure, studying candle formations, studying liquidity reversals. This can be best done on trading view, okay, before you can now be able to relate with it with your entries. Okay, so you might not be taking entries with trading view, of which you can actually do, because there are other places where you can actually log in your broker directly into trading view. You can see some things that are coming out as I click here. There are places where you can log in with your broker, and then after you have logged on with your broker, you can then be able to have you will be able to take in entries, okay, directly from your trading view app. I think it's easier when you go in from the, you can even open new tabs. You can see it, new tabs, open new tabs. It's easier when you go from the web, so that way you can be able to trade directly from trading view. But for me, I don't do it directly from trading view. I use my mobile device to take entries. I only use trading view to view market structure. So you can see other features that are open. You can see. Then this one is for screen. This one here is for screen. So let's say you have two screens and you want to see two different things on your screen. You can use this option here to do that. It's that simple for a second screen. So I think that's the basic things that you need to know in trading view app. That's the basic thing you need to know in trading view app. So the more you use, the more you get to learn. The more you use, the more you get to learn. And I started using this application. No one put me through, no one told me exactly what to do. It's user friendly, so I just got on board and I began to use it. So I think you too can get on board and begin to use it, and you will have a beautiful experience using the trading view app. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Get on trading view, analyze your charts accurately, and come into the market and win in the market. Alright, thank you for spending some time to watch my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to join our platforms, our community, maybe on Telegram, on WhatsApp, or on Facebook. You need to be a part of our community so you can be carried along with some of the few things we're doing in the community. See you.